Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Carol's Daughter shampoo is probably one of the most sought-after hair care products on the market, renowned for its commitment to natural ingredients and effective formulations designed to nourish and revitalize a variety of hair types, from curly and coily to straight and fine. This brand has consistently delivered on its promise of gentle yet powerful cleansing, often incorporating botanical extracts and essential oils that not only smell amazing but also contribute significantly to hair health, making it a go-to choice for those seeking a more holistic approach to their hair care routine. Number 5. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Discover the power of Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. It's designed to gently cleanse your hair, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. This unique formula is infused with rosemary and mint, known for their beneficial properties. Experience a nourishing cleanse that supports healthier-looking hair. It works to strengthen and protect your strands from damage. Enjoy hair that feels more resilient and looks visibly healthier with every wash. Our moisturizing shampoo helps to hydrate your hair without stripping essential moisture. It leaves your hair feeling soft, manageable, and beautifully conditioned. Perfect for both women and men, this shampoo provides a gentle yet effective cleanse. It's suitable for all hair types seeking improved strength and vitality. Let this shampoo help repair and revitalize your hair. It promotes a healthy scalp environment, contributing to overall hair wellness and shine. What we like. This formula is designed to strengthen your strands from root to tip. Infused with biotin, it promotes healthier hair growth. If you're experiencing breakage or looking for a shampoo that helps repair and protect, this is a great choice for you. What people say. This shampoo is great for my hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. I love the scent of this shampoo. Number 4. Kitsch Castor Oil Shampoo Bar. Unlock your hair's potential with our Castor Oil Shampoo Bar. It's formulated to promote healthy hair growth and nourish your scalp. Say goodbye to dry, brittle hair. This solid shampoo provides deep hydration and moisture, leaving your locks feeling soft and revitalized. We believe in the power of nature. Our formula is crafted with organic castor oil and is free from silicones and parabens. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. This bar soap gently cleanses while delivering essential nutrients to your scalp. Feel good about your hair care choices. Our shampoo bar is proudly vegan and never tested on animals. Make a conscious choice for the planet. This solid shampoo bar offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional liquid shampoos. What we like. Experience the convenience of a solid shampoo bar. Enriched with organic castor oil, it deeply nourishes your scalp. If you prefer eco-friendly options or are seeking a product that promotes hair growth and scalp health, this bar is an excellent sustainable alternative. What people say. This shampoo is great for my hair, it leaves it soft and manageable. I love how this shampoo lathers up, a little goes a long way. My hair feels so clean and refreshed after using this shampoo. Number 3. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. Introducing our Rosemary Mint Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. It's designed to nourish and fortify your beautiful curls. Experience deep hydration that leaves your hair feeling soft and moisturized. This formula is perfect for all curl types. Enriched with biotin, it works to strengthen each strand from root to tip. Get ready for healthier-looking hair. Watch as it softens your hair and boosts its natural shine. Achieve a vibrant, healthy glow with every use. It helps protect your hair from damage while enhancing its natural luster. Enjoy stronger, more radiant curls. Trust Mielle Organics for your hair care needs. This leave-in conditioner is a must-have for achieving your best curls yet. What we like. This is a fantastic leave-in conditioner for curly hair. It's designed to soften your curls and boost their natural shine. If you have curly hair that needs extra hydration and protection, this product will help manage frizz and enhance your curl definition. What people say. This shampoo is great for my hair, it leaves it soft and manageable. I love how this shampoo smells, it has a light floral scent that isn't overpowering. My hair has never felt so clean and healthy since I started using this shampoo. Number 2. Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Shampoo. Discover the power of Mielle Organics with our new Kalahari Melon and Aloe Shampoo. It's designed to gently cleanse and deeply hydrate your hair. This sulfate-free formula is perfect for dry, curly, and textured hair. It provides intense moisture without stripping your natural oils. Experience a clarifying cleanse that removes buildup effectively. Enjoy up to 5 days of continuous moisture for softer, more manageable hair. Enriched with Kalahari Melon and Aloe, this shampoo nourishes your strands. It leaves your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. Our deep cleansing shampoo is gentle yet powerful. It cleanses without harsh sulfates, making it ideal for maintaining healthy hair. Give your hair the hydration and clarity it deserves. Achieve beautiful, healthy-looking results with every wash. What we like. This shampoo offers deep hydration, perfect for dry and textured hair. Its sulfate-free formula ensures a gentle cleanse while providing up to 5 days of moisture. If your hair is prone to dryness or you're looking for a clarifying shampoo that won't strip your hair, this is the one to try. What people say. This shampoo is great for my hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. I love the scent of this shampoo. Number 1. Carol's Daughter Born to Repair Nourishing Shampoo. Introducing the Born to Repair Nourishing Shampoo from Carol's Daughter. It's specially formulated for your curly hair. This shampoo features a sulfate-free formula, making it gentle yet effective for cleansing your hair. Enriched with shea butter, it deeply nourishes your strands, leaving them feeling soft and hydrated. Designed with curly hair in mind, it helps to enhance your natural texture and manageability. Experience a gentle cleanse that effectively repairs and revitalizes your hair with every wash. Get this nourishing shampoo in a convenient 11 fluid ounces size, perfect for your daily hair care routine. What we like. This nourishing shampoo is specifically formulated for curly hair. Its sulfate-free formula, enriched with shea butter, gently cleanses while repairing damaged strands. If you have curly hair that needs intensive moisture and repair, this product will leave your curls feeling soft and revitalized. What people say. This shampoo is great for my curly hair, it leaves it soft and manageable. I love how this shampoo lathers up, it really cleans my hair without stripping it. The scent of this shampoo is amazing, it's a light floral fragrance that isn't overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.